In this video, I will introduce you to 3 distinct scholarship opportunities for international students in 3 different countries. Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship Program is offering annually 500 different PhD opportunities for international students. Who can apply? All international students who want to pursue a PhD in a Canadian institution. What does the scholarship cover? Scholarship provides $50,000 per year during 3 years of your studies. So the total amount of the scholarship is $150,000. How can you apply? First, you have to find a university where you want to study at in Canada. Second, you have to check whether this university has a quota in Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship Program. You can't apply directly to the scholarship. First, you have to apply for the university, so therefore you have to contact the university and inform them about the decision to study at the specific university with this scholarship. You have to verify the internal deadlines and requirements for specific university you want to study at, prepare the required documents, and apply for the university. Alongside the documents for the university, you have to submit the following documents for the scholarship itself. First, ResearchNet application form. What is it? When you are applying for the university, you will use a specific platform which is called ResearchNet. After you finish the application for university, you will receive this ResearchNet application form. You have to upload your CV, research proposal, 2 reference letter from your university professors or your employers, personal statements, transcripts, and also don't forget that each university will ask you for English proficiency test. You can check the score of the test within the university you are applying for. The last document is a research contribution where you have to specify all the publications and research work that you have done so far. When can you apply? There are 2 deadlines you have to take into account. First, internal deadline of the university. You have to specify with the university when you have to apply through ResearchNet platform. The second deadline is a deadline for the scholarship. The university should send your application to the scholarship committee by October 30th. So hurry up because you have almost 1 month to prepare all the documents and apply for the scholarship. But remember, this scholarship is announced annually, so if you don't make it this year, try to prepare for the next year. I wish you good luck, and we are going to the next scholarship. The Yenching Academy of Peking University is offering fully funded master scholarship for international students to study in China. Who can apply? All international students who are interested in Chinese studies, because the only major which is available is Chinese studies. What are the requirements of the program? You have to have bachelor degree in any field. You don't need to have bachelor degree in Chinese studies to apply for this program. If you don't have your bachelor degree so far, you have to have it by August 31st, 2025. So you have to graduate by the time you start your master program. You have to have outstanding academic records. You have to be interested in China and Chinese studies. Also, it's required to have a record of extracurricular achievements, community engagement, social responsibility, and leadership potential. And the last thing, you have to provide English proficiency test. What documents you should provide? Complete application form, statement of interest, which shouldn't be more than 750 words, statement of research interest. This is the same as research proposal, but for your master thesis, curriculum vitae or CV, official transcript from your bachelor degree, your bachelor diploma, English proficiency test, and 2 letters of recommendation. What does the scholarship cover? When I said fully funded, I really mean it, because the scholarship is very generous. It covers your tuition fee, accommodation, you will get monthly stipend, 1 round-trip travel fare, basic medical insurance, and any expenses related to your research. How can you apply? You should apply through university platform, and when you are accepted, you will be invited for the interview. The interview will be held online. If successful, you will get the answer by mid-April 2025. When can you apply? You can apply now till 1st of December 2024. I wish you good luck, and let's dive into the next scholarship. Justus and Louise Van Effen Excellent Scholarship is offering fully funded scholarship for international students to study master degree at Delft University of Technology. Who can apply? All international students outside of the EU with good academic achievements. What does the scholarship cover? The scholarship covers your tuition fee and living expenses. What majors you can apply for? You can apply for all the majors that are available at Delft University of Technology. How can you apply? First, you have to find the master program that you want to apply for at Delft University of Technology, read the requirements of the program, prepare the necessary documents, and as a second step, you have to prepare all the necessary documents for the scholarship that I will mention below, and together with master degree documents, you have to submit it through the university platform. So basically, you are applying for the master program and the scholarship separately but through one platform. Talking about the documents, so you have to provide complete master program application form for the scholarship, 2 reference letters, and English proficiency test. When can you apply? You can apply now until 1st of December. So hurry up, and I wish you good luck.